If not, he's very close to. But Presh Talwar, you can look him up. Big channel. And I think he's moved away from this, but maybe like 6 to 8 years ago, he would do a lot of these like statistics and probability based problems. And some of them were, you know, like fairly straightforward, you know, like if you have a basket of 20 balls and 18 of them are brown and one is blue and you remove 3 brown, you know, all you know, that kind of stuff, right? But other times he'd ask like really interesting puzzles or like what do you call those? Like those brain teasers that are kind of based in math, you know? Or based in statistics and probabilities, right? So great channel just to watch overall. So one of the things I used to do as an exercise is whenever one of his videos would come out or I would look in his archives, I would sit there and I would start a blank VS Code with Python ready to go. And he always starts off with like the problem statement. He gives you like 10 seconds to think about it or like a minute to think about it. And then he walks through the explanation. So his videos tend to be like 6 to 10 minutes long, right? Andres is asking, what's the channel? No, Andres. Let me tell you what I used to do before you asked for the channel, because maybe you don't want to do this. This is how stupid I was.